पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि खुद गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट एबल टू रीच ट्रस्ट। अभी आप जानते हैं कि विनोद खन्ना जी को मरणोत्तर पारितोषिक दिया दादा साहब फाल्के, लेकिन अब तक जो 47 अवार्ड्स हो गए दादा साहब फाल्के, उन्हें हमें कभी इनवाइट नहीं किया। मुझे लगता है कि उनके पास हमारा कुछ पता ही नहीं है, कि उनको पता ही नहीं कि हम लोग खाए। तो मेरे ख्याल से गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है नॉट एबल टू रीच अस। और आम लोगों की बात तो अलग ही है, ऐसा मेरा कहना है। इस जो आप बोलते हैं बात सही है कि बहुत सारे लोग उनके नाम से, उनके नाम का थोड़ा यूज़ करके उनके नाम से अवार्ड देते हैं। बिसाइड्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज़ ओके, दैट इज़ अ लाइफ टाइम अवार्ड। बट अदर पीपल हैव स्टार्ट 1998, there is the Western India Producers Association. They started celebrating the Phalke's birthday under the leadership of Biji Shirke that time, and Ramanand Sagar, Sultan Ahmad, all the directors were also always involved, and Devanand was the chief guest, and they searched ourselves. We were staying in Mulund that time, but they searched our address, and my mother that time, she was daughter of Dada Saheb Phalke, younger daughter. He was called as a guest. We also went with her, and Devanand was a chief guest, and it was in a Citizen Hotel in Zoo. That was good program, and afterwards they started giving awards to the back, especially the backstage, because that was a good this thing. Because generally we see the hero, heroine, and main thing, but these people are mestri, carpenter, technician, small technician, clapper boy. They are always ignored. And that was a good object, and therefore whenever they used to call us, they used to send a card to our house, and we used to go. CM also used to come initial years till 2003, 2004, 4-5 saal from 98, and it was a good this thing. A lot of artists also used to come, and after they came to know somebody is there from their family, their daughter is there. Because that time my uncles and were expired. She was the last one to survive. And they also they used to honor her also. And one thing was good, that they were able to got a house under 10% quota.
Okay.
We have,
Post Academy Awards, this is what you're saying, once you started Academy, Phalke Academy Awards?
Yeah. That's what they started, and they came to know that she don't have her own house, she is staying with me. So they have put, CM used to come over there, and they have coordinately put the word that please arrange the house for her. And after 2 years, it was successful, and we got a house initially in Dahisar. We paid the money, but that was also surprising. It was only brickwork, there was no lift, it was on 6th floor. I went to that Mantralaya also, what is to be done. वो मंत्रालय का आदमी बोला जो मिला है वो should feel happy. बोला how we can. 6th floor बुड्ढी माँ कैसी जा सकती है? Then incidentally we were worried what to do, because we have already paid the money that time, 1,85,000. पहला पैसा तो भर दिया. अभी क्या करने का? Nobody will come for purchasing that. But that time my mother was not well. She had Alzheimer's and she had a breast cancer. दोनों थे. तो उनका बहुत चर्चा हो गया, उनका मीडिया में बहुत आया. तो सुनील दत्त came searching our house, and one fine morning he came and he said, I am very much disturbed. He is my father, then she is my sister. And he just didn't end over there. He started helping Nargis Foundation. And बाद में मैं एक कहानी सुना है कि हमारी जगह के बारे में बोलते, don't worry, I will put the word to Sushil Kumar Shinde was the CM. And he got it done, because that time on 30th April there was a function, state award function. There also they were not calling, but they started calling, because I told to press, like I am telling you for central government also. They started calling, they sent the big officer with invitation. And that function, Sushil Kumar Shinde announced that where it was given in Dahisar, we are changing to Marol. So now that house is there. Sunil Dutt was instrumental, and Academy initially was instrumental to that. So that was a good thing they have done. Then there was a standing statue is there in Chitranagari of Dada Saheb Phalke. There is only standing statue. They are given the money from their own pocket, these trustees from that time, and they got it done. And third good thing they have done, that Chitranagari name, Film City name, they have changed to the Dadasaheb Phalke. That good thing, initially they had good this thing, rapport, and their objects were good. But I don't know, somehow, when my mother died in 2006, their attitude towards us changed totally. We were not given that good treatment afterwards. Sometimes they never used to call us on stage also. I used to protest. Even not for, they used to give the awards at mother's hands, but that also they have stopped. So their attitude was changed. I asked unofficially to one of the trustee, why you are doing like this? He told, हमारे लिए तो फाल्के फैमिली मर गई, आपकी मदर मर गई तो आप हमारे लिए फाल्के फैमिली मर गई. I was shocked that time, but ठीक है, we, I don't want to name the trustee, but he said like that.
Okay. And do you agree with this? Is the name of Dadasaheb Phalke is misused somewhere down the line by introducing numerous awards on Film Academy Award, which is started by your,
Yeah.
That was a real one, I would say.
No, they have started it, and up to 2014, 15, they are distributing this award under Academy's name. Then there was a difference among themselves, and then foundation awards they started, some people, and afterwards some people started Dadasaheb Phalke Excellence Awards. So from the same Dadasaheb Phalke Academy, there are 3 parts have come. Actually, I had appeared on stage a number of times, on 3 stages, because we have been called as a guest. So as a respect, and they are increasing the awareness of my grandfather, I get a stage to tell about him. So I go over there. बाकी कुछ हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं उधर जाने के लिए. एंड जिसको अवार्ड उनके हमारे हाथ से कभी कभी देते हैं, तो दे ऑल्सो फील गुड that we are getting award from the hands of the Dadasaheb Phalke's descendant. So we feel good for that. Only thing is that I had appealed through all the stages that you please come over on one umbrella. You bury your differences and see, ensure that except central government Phalke award, non-government Phalke award should be under one roof.
That is Film Academy Dadasaheb Phalke award. This is what you are saying.
They can then name it anything. They can name it the Phalke Academy Foundation Excellence Award. So all people can be accommodated. Name is immortal. That's what I think. One Phalke award. That's what I feel.
The award which is started, they are the people who
yeah, they are definitely. They are the people. They are started, and the other people have some differences. They have started their own in 2015. Foundation Awards, and again from 2016-17, Excellence Awards started from the other this thing. So 3 awards are started. Even we find that Delhi also, Nasik also, one award is taking in his name. I don't know, in other parts of India, Maharashtra, I don't know, they may be using his name. So,
do you feel bad? Do you feel sidelined? The people are using Phalke Saab's name and doing awards and not inviting you. Do you feel bad about this? And you
no, they are inviting us. Only things that they should be using it at a proper. They should not insult that figure, the Dadasaheb Phalke, because that's prestige they should carry. A Phalke naam ka award, because what happened? Some people go on saying that I got a Phalke award. The recipient should clearly say it, that I got Phalke Academy Award. Exactly. I got Phalke Foundation Awards. I got Phalke Excellence Award. They should say like that. But when they come out for the interview, they always say, I am very much honored to get Phalke Award. And that carries very wrong impression amongst people. The people don't know. People at large feel that, inko isko for Phalke Award mila hai. Phalke Award is a lifetime achievement award by the central government. And they are given 10 lakhs of rupees. And it's a great honor. Greatest honor.
Last one.
Yeah, definitely. Vinod Khanna, and they have started posthumous also. Prithviraj Kapoor was the first one, and second one is Vinod Khanna. So I feel that the honor of that fellow pioneer should be kept. Now you are given in his name. That's okay, but dignity should be kept. The person you are giving awards, those who are awardees, they should be capable. That's what, because what happened, they are not involving us in other aspect like academy or foundation or excellence. They are just calling as a guest. They have been involved in their internal this thing. We don't know how, from where they get the finance or what sponsors they are. That we don't, or we are not asking also. We command respect. We don't demand money. हम लोग कभी पैसे भी हम पूछते नहीं. You are using his name, so give us some money. बराबर ना? एक फोटो के लिए भी पैसे लेते हैं लोग. So that at least हम बिकाऊ ये नहीं है हमारे फाल्के साहब का नाम. But they should ensure that dignity should be observed in that.
दादा साहब फिल्म फाउंडेशन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
दादा साहब फिल्म फाउंडेशन also I told you 2015 में जो चालू हो गया, बाद में one award was given at my hand to the person who has a criminal background, and that next year when he came to invite, both me and my wife pointed out this is not fair because he has a criminal background and afterwards we see him in jail. So should be careful while using my grandfather's award. That is the only thing we can say. What are other things we can stop? Even if I say you stop this award, they are not going to stop. Anybody. If I tell academy you stop your awards, nobody is going to stop. No?
What is your main concern at the moment?
What is that? Yes.
What is the main concern at the moment? और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट और अहम बात ये है कि मुझे खुद भी लगता है जर्नलिस्ट कि आपको हर जगह होना चाहिए. Even central government is giving award to anyone. It is the name of Dada Saab Phalke is involved. Lifetime achievement जब खान साहब को मिला था उनके घर पे आके.
I suggest that central government should involve us in their committee, and we should be respectfully invited over there. And about the state government also, I am telling, they are inviting us. That also after we pointed out, they are inviting, but they are not calling us on stage because minister told me कि आपका करतूत का क्या है, and matter ended over there. मीन्स उन्होंने काम किया है, आप उनके कुछ है तो आपके स्टेज पे जो लायकी क्या है आपकी बुलाने की. That question was asked to me by minister. So I feel we should be honored properly. No? They can call us at least for introduction. I said these people are there. Public को पता चलता है इनका कोई है. Therefore, what happened? We have made a website. We are ignoring these people. We are ignoring these people, all these people. We are going for their function. That's okay. But we have started. Myself and Mr. Vinay Wagh is a sculptor. अम्बेडकर का जो कुछ आपको वो सब हाँ उधर वाघ बोल के है, और मिस्टर वीरेंद्र नायक who made the website. We have started website last year. Dada Saheb Phalke International Awareness Mission. My missus also supports me. And our object is that only. Ki these people, what happened? They arrange that they give the awards, but they should. Nobody knows much still. In spite of that, we go because what we feel awareness will increase. But award like सब खत्म हो जाता है. Then somebody has to tell people what struggle he went through. At least in short. Therefore, we have uploaded 20 minutes video, 19 minutes video of me on the Phalke's life for 50 in English because he is the international figure. Yeah. And there is a website.
English is a universal language.
Yeah, website. The website name is www.dpiam.org.in. I appeal through your this thing, people. Please visit this website and see my video also, because you will come to know a lot about Phalke's life. And we are more concerned about awareness rather than visiting the awards.
So I believe कि जितने भी initiatives अभी तक लिए गए हैं दादा साहब फाल्के की legacy को alive रखने के लिए, वो सब जैसे आपने बोले like घर को लेके आपको discover किया गया, academy वालों ने आपको discover किया, statue academy वालों ने install किया, नाम जो change करवाया from Fin City to Chitran Navi, वो academy वालों ने किया. तो अभी तक का जो किया गया है वो academy ने किया, not the film foundation, not the
Film foundation has come off late of 2000 because they are all together. That's what I believe.
Yeah, that's so कि
हाँ.
out of so many जो awards float हो रहे हैं market में उनमें academy वाला सबसे oldest और genuine
Oldest.
जिन्होंने actually
Oldest awards.
so they are the most genuine ones who actually put their
I cannot say. I can say it is the oldest. I mean, I cannot comment whether it's genuine. Because again, ऐसा बोलेगा तो central government is the highest.
हाँ,
It's a thing.
उसके बाद after central government.
after central government
Academy is more this thing because it is the oldest one.
okay
They are the pioneer. They are the pioneer in. They have started celebrating the birthday, observing the birthday, first time all over the India. Other people followed up.
That's what I'm saying. Do you agree with this? Can you put in words? क्योंकि after central government, what central government give, they are the one who started this.
Yeah, definitely.
They are the one who fed
Definitely. No, they searched us. We were staying in Mulund. That time, what happened? 1998, they started. And they literally searched our address. And somebody, through some newspaper, this thing, they came to our house. And my mother, Runda Pusarkar, she was Malti Phalke before. She is the younger daughter of Dadasaheb Phalke. Was staying with us. And she was called, she was honored in that function. Devanand was chief guest. It was Citizen Hotel Zoo. And it was under able leadership of B.G. Shirke, the Sangram Shirke's father. And other also trustees were Ramanand Sagar, then Sultan Ahmad. A good number of directors, Shakti Samanta was there. And initially, afterwards also, they used to call my mother, honor her, and their objects were very good because they used to honor the people who were at the backstage. And they used to feel lot. That I have seen. The technicians, small, छोटा आदमी को बहुत लगता था कि फाल्के के नाम से मुझे कुछ मिल रहा है. And they used to sometimes used to cry. हम लोग और हम उनके कोई ये बोल के तो हमारे पाँव पड़ते थे लोग. That's what I seen. The people at large have got a great respect for my grandfather. Great. Sir. And that I have seen through this function. Therefore we go. Therefore we go to these functions because we know at large public का क्या response है. There was a function in 2015 where Shah Rukh Khan was involved. He was given award. That was a foundation. And their quarters were gone. And that was the last item because Shah Rukh Khan's once he goes then program is finished. हाँ, तो मजा बोलता है आपको. Shah Rukh Khan went down to the stage after this thing. He was introduced to us. Then afterwards he went down. Then all media, all this fresh, they went after him. And then still some people came on stage to meet me. Around 50 to 100 people. I was just confused. Why you are coming to take out a selfie with me? मतलब आपका हीरो तो वहाँ गया है. What they said, for us you are our real hero. You are the descendant of Dadasaheb Phalke. So that's a feeling. मेरे आँख में आंसू इसलिए आए कि that's a feeling in general public. I approve. Even I am also fan of Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan also give good respect. वो ऐसा bend किया हम दोनों को ये करके ऐसा ठीक है ना. I am not saying they have the manners. And he said he took my name that program. I am very much thankful to Chandrasekhar. My name is Chandrasekhar. And there was lots of people at the packed house and all press was there. So that's I'm very thankful. At least they acknowledge. And as you say, that time and even on that card my name was there. So that time at least somebody is there from his family, lot of people came to know. But still, if central government involves us in that committee, for the Phalke Award committee, or they call us at least, they should start calling us. Or state government should do something. That's what I feel. And other people, what I can say, I can go for their program, but that doesn't mean that I approve of what they are doing. I approve everything of what they are. We are going as a guest.
You are okay with Film Academy Awards?
No, I am okay with academy. I am even okay with excellence because they have their own this thing. They give respect to us. Some awards also they going through us. ऐसा कुछ सवाल नहीं है. Only thing is that I always say, why then separate names? Why you come together ना? सर अशरफ भाई को भी बोला है, गुप्ता जी को भी बोला है.
After central government, you say academy को bifurcate नहीं होना चाहिए था into.
हाँ, definitely. I feel, yeah, definitely. Yeah. They should have continued. That's what. And again, they can come together. they can't bury the difference. Academy, because since academy is the oldest one, and there people are more experienced, we can say. They are trustees, but still old trustees are gone because the over age was there. But still, they can come under that academy's roof and they can do it again. That's what I feel. And I also appeal through your this thing that Dadasaheb Phalke, who has started this film industry with a meager capital of 25,000. Now what happened? 15,000 crores का industry हो गया है with all this sacrifices. And वो देते ही आई है, दादा साहब फाल्के देते ही आई है. जो it was a make in India project that time, we can say, of that time 1913 का. And like रोजी रोटी हो गई है लोगों के, lakhs of jobs have been created, government is getting money, entertainment has become the basic need of the human being, like food, shelter and clothing. Any technology comes, cannot survive without help of Bollywood. So Dada Saheb is giving only to us, all of us. Only thing we can acknowledge the way that we can give him the posthumous Bharat Ratna award. We can pursue the government, and that's what I appeal to this thing. And you are always there to support us. Actually, this also I forgot to tell you. Major thing, Dadasaheb Phalke Academy has tried this in 2000-2001. Okay. They have tried very much. I had the copies with my mother's, her signature was there, and with 12 eminent personalities from the film industry, with Rakesh Roshan and Ramanand Sagar, Naushad, unka sab signature leke. I don't remember all the names, but I have this letter. And 9 allied association, means Music Directors Association, Directors, Writers Association. We had applied to the Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government, that time BJP government. And Vilasarao Deshmukh also has recommended that time. The papers have moved, but I don't know. Unofficially we came to know that they have stopped the award posthumously. Unofficially. It is nothing in writing. But now we have seen the posthumous award has given to Malaviya, Madan Mohan. Yes. So I think again we should try, and that is a great thing that they have done. The Dadasaheb Phalke Academy have tried their level best to pursue for the Bharat Ratna.
Thank you so much.
She wants to say something. She is my granddaughter-in-law, and I can introduce my best half. She not only behind me, but she's worked with me for all the Dadasaheb Phalke's project. Whatever I have, the things or photographs or whatever the things I have of Dadasaheb Phalke is due to her efforts over the years. And Tula Pusarkar, my wife, and she especially has come from the outside because she is granddaughter-in-law. But the passion she has is more than what I feel for the Dadasaheb Phalke. And therefore, we have started doing the talk show on Dadasaheb Phalke. We have already done 11. 10 talk show we had for 1.5 hour time, any language. In Mumbai I have done. And one we have done in Pune, and she gives me the support. She talks on Saraswati Phalke, because Saraswati Phalke, my grandmother, is a great instrumental to the Dadasaheb Phalke, and he was able to achieve the goal due to her also. And about that, she will say some few words. Hindi मध्ये बोलले कसे whatever.
Dadasaheb Phalke's wife, her name is Saraswati Bai Phalke. She had helped a lot to Dadasaheb Phalke in this cinema project. Not project, but cinema invention. Not only she gave her ornaments as a capital, but that time, 100 years back, the technology was not there. It was nothing was there with which the Dadasaheb can go further. But Dadasaheb has
developed. She used to develop.
She was not an educated lady, but Dadasaheb
taught
her everything. How to do the editing, how to do the processing of the film. That time, the films were not perforated.
Hmm.
Films were without the punch, without the holes, and that nowadays nothing is there. Nowadays only now the
Digital.
pen drives are there, CDs are
Digital.
there, and digital. Everything is in digital form. That time she used to do the hand punching with manually at late night. Dada Saheb has not only his own, Dada Saheb has, and Saraswati Bai, his nickname was Kaki. We used to call her Kaki. Her photo is there if you want to.
Yeah.
She was from Baroda, and her father was also a dramatist. He was a artist. His father was also an artist.
Stage artist.
She stage artist. She Dada Saheb has taught her how to hand punch the films. Not only that,
And developing.
but she used to stand with a bed sheet as a reflector. That time reflectors were not there.
In
So she
scorching sun.
she used to stand with a white bed sheet more than 3 hours, 4 hours
In a sun.
in a hot sun. She has done that job also. And not only that, Dada Saheb had a very big company, Phalke Film Company, in which every day she had cooked 15-20 people's
50,
lunch and dinner.
50, 60. 50, 60.
Not more than 20-25, whatever may be. And she, with one man help, she was not given any hand for cooking. Some like that कुछ होता है इधर उधर वैसा करके she used to cook the khana of all those 20, more than 25 people, and it takes about, and she used to give all the people the lunch and dinner, and after dinner she used to do this
Work.
manual work. She was actually, I think that she
The first female
100 years
technician.
back, the women's were not recognized. अभी तो आज के ज़माने में सब लेडीज लोग को मिलता है कि रिकॉग्निशन, सीट्स मिलता है, रिजर्वेशन होता है, तो उसका नाम कोई याद नहीं करेगा क्योंकि उसका जो ये एफर्ट्स, व्हाट शी हैज डन, एंड दादा साहब, दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इन द वर्ल्ड that all the family was involved in
Yeah. This is the first example in a world, film world, that full family, Dada Saheb with his kids, where efforts were there for first movie. That is also one of the
wife,
peculiar
his
part.
children, his
Phalke family's dedication was there. Well,
The last one to you, ma'am. You know, do you agree with this? With sir, जैसे सर ने कहा कि भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए और इतनी कोशिश करी भी गई बीजेपी की सरकार में, और अब फिर बीजेपी की सरकार है जहाँ अच्छे दिनों की बात करते हैं, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप केंद्र की सरकार से हमारे माध्यम से भारत रत्न को लेकर?
डेफिनेटली दादा साहब को तो भारत रत्न कभी का मिलना चाहिए. जैसे उनके नाम पे अभी ये अवार्ड डिक्लेयर हो गया विनोद खन्ना जी को मरणोत्तर, आफ्टर डेथ. तो दादा साहब को आफ्टर डेथ देने में क्या
posthumous,
इतराज है?
posthumous.
पोस्टमस बहुत लोगों को मिला है, जैसे उन्होंने भैया मालवीय, बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, उनको भी मरणोत्तर मिला है. तो गवर्नमेंट हम इतनी
राजीव गांधी को
सहाय कर
मिला.
रहे हैं, राजीव गांधी को भी दिया है. तो इसमें दादा साहब को देने में व्हाट इज द डिफिकल्टी गिविंग द भारत रत्न?
मैं तो ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये हमें मांगना पड़ता है, ये एक जरा शर्म की बात है.
Not only that,
And he's the one who gave.
Yeah, definitely. I told you that. Yeah, he is giving only for all the years. And what we are reciprocating nothing.
and not only
और
that,
उसका नाम का वापस हम लोग यूज भी करते हैं. Not only these people, but over the years, all people have been definitely.
Can't we give?
Yeah, definitely. That's and one more appeal I am doing through this is Saraswati Phalke is the first female technician of India. So therefore, one award to the best female director or technician should be instituted at central government level by giving the Saraswati Bai Dada Saheb Phalke award, because her efforts should be, because Dada Saheb himself has said in one of the speeches that I would not achieve the goal without the support of my wife. Definitely. So I appeal through your media. And actually, I am thankful to the government also, state government also, because they have already started Saraswati Dadasaheb Phalke Vastu Sangrahalaya in Chitranagari. But I feel the award is more important than this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.